At a luxurious banquet table, what do you think is the most expensive dish? A slice of Wagyu beef? A Norwegian lobster? No. Sometimes, it's a tiny piece of oxtail. Something that used to be thrown away is now plated on fine white porcelain and sold at a price that feels almost absurd. Why is that? What's so special about a cut of meat that once seemed worthless? Let's rewind to a time before fine dining, before social media, before the idea of haute cuisine ever existed. Back then, meat wasn't just food, it was a distant dream. And if someone ever had the chance to butcher a cow, they would go straight for the tenderloin, the ribs, the brisket. As for the oxtail, it was trash, something slaughterhouses tossed into a bin, meant for the dogs or no one at all. But in times of hardship, people found creativity. Mothers in the slums of Jamaica, they took the scraps that others rejected, washed them clean, and cooked them for hours, not out of love, but because there was nothing else to eat. And in that long, slow process, they discovered something the rich never knew. When simmered long enough, oxtail releases a deep, sweet richness. It turns tender, sticky, buttery soft, the meat clinging to the bone, difficult to reach, yet somehow holding the soul of the animal. Oxtail is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of endurance, a triumph of human ingenuity over poverty, a reminder that sometimes value doesn't lie in the ingredient itself, but in how we treat it. Time passed. What was once considered poor people's food, too rough, too messy, too time-consuming, became a forgotten treasure that modern chefs began to rediscover. In a world obsessed with fast, convenient, cheap food, people started craving the slow. Oxtail, slow-cooked for 6 hours, became the poster child of slow food, a quiet protest from the culinary arts against mass-produced meals. A declaration: I'll wait, as long as it's worth eating. Then came social media, and what was once a symbol of poverty became a luxury dish. Right person, right moment, right video format. Oxtail became a trend. No ad campaigns, no marketing strategy, just a pair of chopsticks pulling tender meat off the bone. And suddenly, millions were on the hunt. Part memory, part trend, and part a hunger for something authentic. In the digital age, people began to seek food that had a story, not just flavor. Here's a little-known truth. A single cow weighs hundreds of pounds, but has only one tail. And from that tail, only about 1.5 to 2 kilograms of usable meat. If a restaurant wants to serve 20 bowls of oxtail stew in a day, they'll need at least 10 cows. Price hikes were inevitable, but oxtail didn't just go up, it skyrocketed like it was being auctioned off. In Europe, oxtail used to be a cheap item at the market. Now, shipments of oxtail are exported to Asia and the Middle East at double the price. Some places no longer sell it retail, saving it exclusively for high-end restaurants. The irony? People are willing to pay, not because they need to eat, but because they want to taste a memory, a piece of pride, a trend they can claim they saw before it was cool. What the poor were once forced to eat is now something the rich wait in line for. A silent reversal, but an expensive one. And who knows, what you throw away today might just be tomorrow's million-viewed delicacy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.